Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we're continuing our mint tea journey with creative twists, flavor hacks, and storage tips to keep your tea fresh and tasty. Here's a reliable approach for both styles. These amounts make about 2 large mugs, around 3 cups. Warm the pot or mug, optional. Swirl in hot water, then pour it out. This helps the tea stay hot. Add mint. Use 1 packed cup of fresh mint leaves and tender stems, about a big handful. Choose your base. For mint only, skip tea leaves. For Moroccan style, add 2 teaspoons of green tea. Add hot water. For mint only, use boiling water. For green tea, let the kettle sit 1 to 2 minutes first. Steep, then taste. Mint only, 5 to 8 minutes. Green tea with mint, 2 to 4 minutes. Sweeten gradually, optional. Stir, taste, then add more if needed. Pour to mix. Pour into another vessel and back, or stir well, especially if you use sugar. A quick rule helps: if it tastes bitter, steep less next time. If it tastes thin, use more mint before you steep longer. Troubleshooting is easy once you know the cause. If it's too weak, add more mint or a little more tea leaf. If it's too strong, add hot water to dilute it. If it's too sweet, top it up with unsweetened tea, not plain water, so the flavor stays full. Choose your mint and prep it the right way. Fresh spearmint is the classic choice for a smooth, sweet smell. Peppermint works too, but it tastes cooler and stronger. A mix can be nice if you like a crisp finish. Wash the mint, then shake off extra water. Next, gently bruise the leaves with your hands. Don't mash them into paste. A light squeeze wakes up the aroma and helps it infuse fast. Use more mint than you think you need. A traditional taste often comes from abundance, not extra steeping time. Too much steeping can turn mint tea grassy. 2 easy recipes, mint only and Moroccan style green tea with mint. Below are 2 dependable versions. Pick one, then repeat it a few times before you start tweaking. Mint only herbal tea, caffeine free. Ingredients: 3 cups water. 1 packed cup fresh mint. Optional, 1 to 3 teaspoons sugar or honey, add after steeping. Steps: bring water to a boil. Add mint to a pot or heat-safe pitcher. Pour in boiling water. Cover and steep 5 to 8 minutes. Strain, then sweeten to taste. Moroccan-style green tea with mint, caffeinated. Ingredients: 3 cups water. 2 teaspoons green tea. Gunpowder green tea is common, but any green tea works. 1 packed cup fresh mint. Sugar, to taste. Start with 1 tablespoon, go up from there. Steps: heat water to a boil, then let it rest 1 to 2 minutes. Add green tea to the pot. If you want a softer taste, rinse the leaves with a splash of hot water, then pour it off. Add mint, then pour in the hot water. Steep 2 to 4 minutes, then taste. Strain. Sweeten in small steps, stirring between each addition. Make it your own: flavor tweaks, health notes, and smart storage. Once you can brew a steady cup, small changes feel fun, not confusing. The best tweaks support mint's fresh flavor, instead of covering it up. A little citrus brightens the cup. Floral notes can make it feel like a dessert drink. Warm spices work best in tiny amounts, so they don't overpower the mint. Health-wise, keep it simple. If you use green tea, you'll get caffeine. That can be helpful in the afternoon, but it may not suit late nights. Also, peppermint can bother reflux for some people, even though others enjoy it after meals. Finally, sugar tastes traditional in many versions, but it still adds calories, so sweeten with intention. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.